Joining us now, I'm delighted to say, is the Federal Treasurer of Australia, Josh Frydenberg. I want to start with your speech today, Treasurer. After a rough 2 years, is the economy starting to get back in shape?
Absolutely, and we're going to see the fiscal dividend in the budget in just over a week's time from a strong economy. In particular, the unemployment rate coming down to 4%, the lowest level in 14 years. Female unemployment now at its lowest level since 1974. Is seeing more people in work, therefore paying taxes, and less people on welfare, and that's improving the budget bottom line. And what's important is that we're continuing to maintain that fiscal discipline. We've brought the emergency economic support to an end. Remember when we ended JobKeeper, Rowan? Anthony Albanese said that the economic roof would come crashing down. It was a false prophecy. What we saw within the 3 months after we took that decision, 120,000 new jobs were created. Labor also wanted us to keep going indefinitely with the COVID disaster payments that we introduced during the Delta outbreak. We brought those to an end. We saw more people employed after that. We said no to other states that were asking for further spending and funding. And we've been very conscious of the fact that we need to bring that budget back under control, given that we've gone through a pretty tough couple of years, and you're going to see some improvements, some material improvements in the bottom line in just over.
And I think, Treasurer, that's really important. So can I ask the obvious question, as far as Treasury is concerned and the Treasurer is concerned, is COVID over?
Well, no, we're still in the middle of the pandemic, but Omicron, being the latest variant, did have an impact on workforce participation and absenteeism. But it didn't see a big drop in consumer spending that some were expecting. So its actually impact on the overall economy was not as severe as people thought. And now that restrictions have eased, people are getting about their daily lives. We're seeing an increase in consumer spending through hospitality and tourism, important areas that were constrained, obviously, during those lockdowns and the other health restrictions. People are getting back to their daily lives, and that's a good thing. So we're learning to live with COVID, but it's not over.